Akoko Edo politics just be politics wey tire me, because the way I dey see other local governments dey play politics no be like this. The way we dey play am completely different, because for Akoko Edo na monkey dey work, babu dey chop, precisely in APC. See, me na APC person. I never wan dey come carry broom, come scatter broom, then carry umbrella or follow another party. At times, I just dey support persons in other party based on individual, why I believe in their capacity. Just like I supported Engineer Mobayo Marvelous briefly, and I saw that the place now, I don't know how they just did because of Obaseki. Obaseki no actually package the thing well. That aside, now me I dey work with, I dey believe in personality, individual capacity to be able to give us dividend of democracy. Akoko Edo APC, some people wey dey hold the party strong, as in they hold the party strong, whether in opposition, even when APC dey opposition or when they dey ruling. That time, especially that time when Obaseki come decap leave APC, when APC fall back to opposition in Edo. We have some strong leaders in Akoko Edo that were holding the party, that they finance the party, and then they organize meetings, still they tell people say, no, don't worry, APC will fall back in Edo. People like Comrade Samuel Bello, people like Paul Johnson Afagase, now they spend their hard-earned money, the entire acrylic, they will come, they will finance, they even finance the party pass our House of Rep for tenor man, because that one now only even your own election now 3 days to election you go come home, because he did dodge to spend money. Now men, when I measure that they talk to boys, this personally the finance boys to remain calm, otherwise PDP for those steal those guys, for those steal all members and followers of the party, supporters of the party finish. The people like Samuel Bello, Paul Johnson Afagase, now they start gidigba. Then Honorable Aslem Agbabi, Taya Akedele, those people start gidigba, they finance the party. Now it don't reach the time when those people supposed to get the benefit of, they don't reach. Now God don't answer their prayer based on how they teach hold the taproot of the party, even when the party was in opposition. One of Basaki, the others, the press people like Dele Olotoba, they were there. They holding the party taproot, hold on. They say, take care of boys, say, look now, calm, no worry, go see better, Edo, go see fall back APC, Those people now, me they talk. Nobody send me any message now. They feel as if now me they in such shoe, you go pay me. That's why they talk. Well, nobody should think anybody to send me. Those people with the contest, we are they call their names. So among all of them, the fisty contest. The fisty contest. Maybe I no go support 1 or 2 of them. But me no say where time reach, we will look for person wey get capacity, person wey get mind to go do something, not be just to go sleep, they drink tiri or to dey drink Henneken up and down. People, person wey go get the mind of developing, moving our Edo forward. Now we will say go that House of Rep. It will no longer be business as usual. Then wetin me dey talk na APC. Even if na Isakoma or na Femi Gbajabiamila from federal, we wan just choose somebody in Akoko Edo, somebody from Akoko Edo to be in a particular position. Let it not be say na monkey dey work, babu dey chop style, when they go just choose somebody with the UK, somebody with the London, somebody with the far place, no even know how the party till go on. They will just carry the whole sweat, the whole they will carry the benefit of the whole sweat where people they do all the wasted time, energy, resources, money. They'll just carry and go give one man because of see the man know Femi Gbajabiamila, or because the man know Tinubu, or because the man know one person or Akpabio. Isako people will get power, Benin people will get power, or Abuja people will get power. If una want compensate, una want choose person, no gonna the reason people will hold the party strong till date. Assuming people no hold the party strong, Akoko Edo no film winner like that. We not think win that election. We had men and women with capacity that were holding the party strong before APC come to power. Why be say those people now just go bash them and go now no even reason them. I could the pity die accurately. I could the pity Paul Johnson. I could the pity Samuel Bello. They don't spend billions holding the party, taking care of boys. We still believe in APC. How now they do that now? As I don't do now. Now new PDP get the party now. Now new PDP they rule APC now. For Akoko do. It's supposed to be so. At least we have to compensate new PDP for yes for joining force to say yes, the disgrace of Asake. But at least that one no cost stop you people now from carrying the whole power. As it did now in Akoko Edo, now new PDP they rule now. APC any strong APC leader now we don't get any position. You know they now empty-handed APC members dey in Akoko Edo. APC leaders empty-handed. Nothing don't reach their hand now. Now me they complain nobody say me, but me I dey say like that. You don't nobody if when leg the papers, you no need to tell somebody say leg the pain you. What did they see the saw? Me they see the saw in APC body. See degree APC members, they know they get benefit now. Okpewulu administration, Tinubu administration, now new PDP, they get the dividend, they get the benefit of the hard labor when APC leaders. Now few of them measure, many of them many like that. Even Africa Microfinance Bank CEO, now APC day. That be because of all those things, assuming APC after the election, even when he use strong hard way to do everything for tenure with the Oga Alhaji Lamidi again. Him na make at that time he choose say where he see capacity na so I follow am. Because APC especially now Okedo, Esakoma go bring one PDP person or Labour Party person, just give am wetin belong to wetin suppose belong to APC leaders. Abeg make dem try APC make Akoko Edo APC make leaders sit down, arrange go meet the leadership of the party. After election, the one that they compensate people without considering the fact that some person have come together, have been there holding this party, spending money to take care of people who still believe in the party. At least make we dey compensate those leaders wey dey spend their hard money. Imagine Paul Johnson now, his hard money. Now he don't use a big project. He shares street lights all the communities, almost all the communities. The second person don't come. You see now all the communities in the entire 10 world in Edo State, in Akoko Edo, sorry. Now he won't share street light give. Now a personal effort to not be saying what. Conversation I still remember when breeze carry lakh percent people houses. Now so he use the hard money load building material and finance go give the victims. We get House of Assembly member honorable Ekini dey there. I don't see anything we do with our own public money, no do anything. We have Akwatasi dey there. Akwatasi till today, you no even ask like person people wey breeze carry their house say wetin happen. You no even send any delegation go visit them. But the people wey get the heart of the people, wey get the people in mind, wey they do the work, they hard them money. If they pay me say party no dey put the reason to compensate, to take care of them, to appreciate them for using their personal money, their hard them money to nurture the party, to help keep people alive while they expect something to come after election. Wow, now just go. The next thing you don't want share position, you because you want party, you just bring one person come with the person we no even know how far they take the runner, don't the matter locally. No measure person name, but at least this time we know why not make the party APC learn. It was because of mobile work for PDP supported the House of Assembly candidate that time when Obaseki wanted the election by all means. When he reach, not be the compensate. Why they not leave a mobile and go compensate somebody else when no help Obaseki win? So APC too should learn to follow suit. Say people will work, make the chop. APC leaders make una do, make us do like monkey the work, papu the chop.